Guys, we're playing it. So let's press it. Here the A. Let's press the A. Let's play. Wait. The A. I'm clicking the A. Here. Okay. We click the A. And here's it. Look at. I cannot skip it, guys. It's called joystick in the Shopee or like Lazada. So click the A to start it. And click the start button. Ito. Here. Okay, you press this first, and next you press this first. Yes. The box one, the select one, and next the start. Okay, and if you see this, just press A. Okay. Okay, starting. If you shoot A, if you jump B, if you wanna throw bomb, it's X. If you wanna walk, do this. If you wanna leave, press this. Press this both. Press this both at the same time. And this is what happened. And if you go in there and bring it down and click the A, it's gonna leave. And let's go and play. It's just a little tutorial. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm recording at my feet, by the way. And if you stop them, go close to them. If you want to stop them. And these are prisoners. Get them. They will get you a reward. And I'll be guns. Look at that. I get a fireball. Heavy machine gun. Oh, there's a hard helicopter. And there's bosses in here. And they are so hard. They cannot catch. But it's too hard. They are tank motherships. I fight a boss with... It's an alien. I fight a boss, an alien. And I beat them. And we go home. Not in here. But the characters go home. Because they finished the mission. Oh, there's a bomber. Bro, I hit the bomber. And if you see it, jump. B. You see this tank? Jump. Comment if you have this joystick. Please like and sub, guys. And explode this one. At least this is the season 1. guys. This is the first come out. It's 19s. It's from the 90s. Explode the tank. Let's go. That was the mothership here. Look at it. Mothership. Oh no. The mothership got controlled. Ouch. And you have multiple lives. You will click this. If it didn't work, press the boat again. If you do it like this and resume, you'll be alive and pick a character again. Oh no, rocket launcher. I would want that. No, I die. No, no. No. So hard bomb them. Yay, we exploded. You're saying, guys, how I did zoom it? It's in the camera. Do not look at the seat. Insert coin is not real. It's just a fake. Oh! What the freak, prisoner? She just gave me a poop. I just help you. You will give me poop. What the frick? So this is too hard in here. Ouch! So do not touch that. Bro, even my enemies are dying if they touch it. Oh! Yay! I'm strong. He's dead. Yes, you can see the bomb at the top and the arms is the ammo. Boy, die. Oh, yes, rocket launcher. Yeah, rocket again. This is overpowered. Because she gotta shoot. Yahoo! Wow. You're dead, man. Ow! What? A giant fish just get me. Oh, I killed him. She's sunbathing. I mean, no sun. I killed them. No! I don't have bones. look at this. Look at this. Look at Marco. Look at this. Look at Marco. The red. Siya. Ouch! They're so naughty.
Rocket launcher.
Yeah, let's go up. How I gonna go up? Babush. Ow! Here's. Shit! No!
Heavy machine gun.
Bro. Bro, so many ships.
Shotgun.
Yeah. What? Babusha.
Thank you.
Let's continue.
Heavy machine gun.
Oh, nah. I think that's the boss for a second. It's just a tank. Bro, bomb.
Okay.
This is the another boss. Oh, nah!
Thank you. Heavy machine gun.
Nag-record ako. Oh, no, the boss. This is so crazy. Oh! Goodness gracious. Oh, die. Yeah. Jump on it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Give me that. Yeah, good boy. There's a plate. What a plate. You're dead on. Oh! Exploded. Coming out. It's just a one enemy. I died from it. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh no. This is the another boss. Wait. I'm gonna pause it for a second. I'm just pausing it. What a nice game. That's oh, save state.
Pati ng ilong ko.
Look at it, guys. See next part 2, guys. Bye bye.